Good morning guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox and do a very simple review as regard to the Seiko SNKK31K1 automatic watch. So this is the warranty card. That's the date, 22nd of April 2020. The model number, serial number. Okay, so it's from Poco Time. Okay, so this is the box. Simple, small. Well, there is the Seiko logo. So let's just open it up. Wow, there's it. Seiko. And there is the reference number SNKK31K1, and it is using a caliber 7S26 automatic, water resist, for good for 30 meters. So let's take this off from the box. Okay, look at that. This is my second automatic watch. I bought a Citizen automatic back in the early 90s. It's still working fine, and this is my second automatic watch. And look at that, look at the red marking from 12 o'clock to 4 o'clock. And you can see it started ticking. The second hand is started ticking. Okay, I think I need a scissor to cut off this plastic. Okay, got it. And from the claps, I think I need the scissor to cut it off. Okay, so just take it off. Right, so another one here. So many plastic. Right, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, so I bought this watch online from Shopee. So Malaysian buyer, you can always refer to Shopee. I'll give you the link for the seller, distributor for this watch. Okay, I bought it for about 270 ringgit. That will be about 62 USD. So this is a cheap automatic watch. I think this is the cheapest automatic watch out there, and it is using movement, Seiko's movement, and 9 I forgot about it, but it's all over here. I think caliber 7S26, and it is water resistance for good for 30 meters. Okay, so if you look at the casing, it's in stainless steel, and what I really like about this watch is the red marking. Look at the red marking from 12 o'clock to 4 o'clock, and also the second hand, which is in red, and the background is black, and that's why I like this. This is the SNKK31K1 model. Okay, so what I'm going to do with this watch, probably I don't really like the bracelet, the stainless steel bracelet, but I have already ordered a leather strap from China, which will be arriving probably next week. So I'll try it on, and I'll do another video for this. And meanwhile, this is really a very nice watch. And the back, there's a movement. It's a see-through back cover, so you can see. If I just focus it, if I can just focus it for you over there, that's the movement. Seiko is written there, clearly written. Okay, let's put this on my right hand. I have a very tiny wrist, which is only about 6.5 inches. Look at that. You could put it under your sleeve. Nice, classy, and this is really good for a dress watch. Look at that. Just get rid of the reflection there. That's the room. Very good. Okay, that's all guys, so thank you very much. So if you like my video, please subscribe, share, and also give comments if you what do you think about this watch, and also maybe suggestion on the type of straps which is suitable for this model. Thank you very much, and see you again in my next video.